Hey, what's up, everyone? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? In past few days, I am seeing the analytics of the YouTube video. There is a most demanding video is to how to import SketchUp file into Lumion. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the maximum possible ways. There is two ways I prefer to import SketchUp file into Lumion. So first one is the .dae format method. So basically you need to export the file into DAE format, and in the second one we will using the plugin called Lumion LiveSync. I made the videos on the LiveSync and how to import the SketchUp file by .dae format. So in today's video I'm gonna make the dedicated video upon the ways to import the SketchUp file into Lumion. So first of all, I open the SketchUp model I have previously made for the site model. So I quickly open the model I already have. So here is my SketchUp file I made for my site, my current site. So just first I am gonna show you the first method wire.dae format. This format is basically tricky for the .dae file format is tricky for the Lumion using. So when you need to change in the SketchUp model, you need to re-import and re-export and re-import the file into Lumion. So this is the method, lengthy method, but in the upper level project, in the huge project, this method is effectively used for the component types. So if you made the huge model like the apartment scheme, bungalow scheme, then definitely you need to use these detail model. For detail model you definitely need to use this export method. So first you do is just click on the file, then click on the export, and then just click on the 3D model. So here is the path to save the file. Just select the any location you want to save, then here is the file name. You need to rename or whatever, I'll let it whatever. So just in the here is the save as type, here is the formats of the export file. There you can also export in 3ds max, 2D file, dwg AutoCAD file. We select the .dae option. This is the most effective option for the Lumion. You can also export in OBJ, but we are using .dae file. This is the most sufficient way to use the export method. So just click on the .dae, just export the file. It will, if your model is big and much more detailed, it will take some times. If your model is simple, it will just take 5 or 7 seconds depending upon your depending on your model. So here I minimize. You see the file.da, you can't open this file directly. So what you next do is open the Lumion. I already opened the file. Just click on the create new, just beach environment, anyone you like, upload according your environment. Just click on it. Wait for the Lumion to open. That's the model. So what next step, I just drag here. So if you don't know how to navigate Lumion, check out my previous video upon dedicated video on the Lumion casual talks. Click I just put the link above, so tap on it and you can see that video also, how to navigate and how to basic start with Lumion in half an hour. So what here you need to do is just, here is the tab for imported model, just click on it. Then here is the, I already import this one model much way before, so here is the already imported. Just click on the imported model, click on import new model, then select the destination file. Here is the destination file. select it, don't change any settings, just open it. So here is the setting model name. If you want to change the model name in the Lumion, change it, otherwise leave it whatever it is. And this is the category folder, how to save the file in Lumion. Just this is for the view setup. There is the animation scene 1, scene 2. If you want that same scene, just click on the import animation. Then if you want import lines, this is the detail one. These lines and these error lines and these correction lines, if you tick on this option, Lumion will import these lines also, but this is also unwanted and we don't want it to render, so just leave it whatever it is. Just click on OK and wait for the process. It will take some times. It will take some time. Then here you see the model on the nearby cursor, so just navigate it and place whichever location you want. I just place this house, better location. For better location, I just place here, and where it is, just navigate according your requirements and your location. I just and just left click here, so it will import the model from here. Our SketchUp have two components, so this is the two of the component. So what next setting you need to do is just check it out. If your axis is 0 0 aligned, then your model will be aligned. If the surface of Lumion is up and down or terrain, then you need to adjust the, there is the control, movement control. If you don't know how to control it, I will make the dedicated video also on that. So then I select the model and find out the moving arrow. Here you find the dot in some place. If your axis is not aligned, it's tricky to find the uh, cursor to move. I better suggest you to delete unwanted component and purge file before you export the Lumion file. Here is our model. So if you, so here is the dot surface. You need to find the dot of the model. If your model is better aligned, then you will find the arrow cursor nearby. So this is the cursor, just select on it. Why I have two cursors? Okay, just leave it and do it. I imported. If you click two times when import, it will import multiple times. So just click once, make sure you click once, then make sure, then I select, tap on the dot. So our model is blue and selected now. Then go into move. This is vertical move. So if you see the house is moving, model is moving upward and downward. So check it. This is the surface. No, this is, so here is the dot, that one is for the model. So you see the house is up and down, so adjust according your requirements. So I will show you the tips. See, the house is above now, so this is the 0 0 level. If you want to move it vertical and horizontal, then select it and place it whenever you want, wherever you want. You can type in height position also. If I tap 0, you can see the house is in 0 0. I place and do that. Okay, so that's the method. Now problem in this method is uh, if you change the SketchUp model, if you want to change the, if you want to cancel this window, so I deleted, and if you want to change it, so here is the old same model. If you place the lighting and all stuff, there is the difficult task to replace the all the things. So what is the solution is just you need to re-export it. So just click on the export, click on the 3D model, again replace the same file, or otherwise you need to replace the file. I'll show you that one also. Just click on the export, the replace the file, and the export is completed. So what next you will just need to do is just click on the dot icon. Where is the dot? Just I just select the model, and here is the uh, import. Just click on the imported model, just click on that. Then what you need to do is, okay, just select it. Just click on it, and what next you need to do is, here is the arrow to replace the re-import the model. If I click on that, you will the Lumion will process for short time, and then what happen is it will re-import. So you can see the window is no anymore. So if I made the one changes, single changes, you need to re-import all the time. So that's the tricky method. For huge model, that's not a solution. There is no solution then big good solution than this. So what is next step you need to do is, if I change the name, suppose I change the name, there is the other method. If I import, I rename the, I add, simply add the R above. So export the file. If you want the different file in the same location, just go here, press alt key, there is the icon change, and just click on the re-import. So it will show you the different location. If you change the model location in SketchUp, there is the chances, 100% chances to location will change, and your library component entries and all scattered away. So please make sure the location in the SketchUp and the imported file are locked, and don't change every time. So just click on it, open it. So uh, you will import the file on the new name. See the changes here. So if I select it, you will see which file is, I will show you with the changes. If I control Z, then I export on the other name, let's say R1 desktop, export 3D model R1, replace it, and re-import the file on the name, other name. Just click on it. So you will see the window again, and imported file is changed. So here you can see. The other easiest method is, I'm show you other is the easiest method. I made the dedicated video on the Lumion LiveSync. You need to simply download the Lumion LiveSync plugin. I already made the video how to download and install. If you don't watch that video, I mentioned the link above. So just watch it and find out how to download. Here is the Lumion LiveSync plugin. So what you simply need to do is, I just reopen the other one, so you can see the uh, difference. So I select the simple template, sorry, beach environment. I like the beach and water more and more, so I just naturally attracted by the water and the terrain, land and sand and whatever. What I'm talking, I don't know. Just leave it, fuck it up. So what you only need to do is just click on the, open the both file. I will show you side by side. See the difference. What you just need to do is, where is the live sync? Here they are. just place here so you will see clearly. So I just place on here over here. Just tap on the start live sync play icon. Just you need to click and wait and watch. It will automatically happen. So what is happening, your Lumion model, your opened Lumion file and SketchUp model are live sync. If you open the blank Lumion file, it will automatically live sync with the model you last live sync. First time you need to link up, then it will automatically start live syncing. It will automatic live sync with the model you opened. If you change the model it will, and rename the model, you just need to re-import and re-live sync. Oh, so what basically it do is, your other Lumion file will, if other Lumion blank file is open, it will sync with that. So you see the model on that. So here is the model is synced. So if I zoom in, check it. So where is the model? Our model is lost. Where is the model? Where the hell is this? So there it is. So it will auto imported in the water ocean. So our axis problem, our axis is not in 0 0, so it problem it happen. First you start, before you start, just move your model to the 0 0 axis, so it will auto attach to the 0 0. So what is happening, if you change in this one, this will automatically take the changes. If I cancel the window, so basically if I cancel the window, it will show you instant what changes in. If you can also show your clients on the with the material editing. If I add the square here, if you add and delete here, it will automatically in few seconds. So this is the beneficial for the small models and interior live syncing models. This is the efficient method I always used. For huge model there is the different case. That one is the depend on the work, whatever work you want to do. So this is the easiest method. So if I delete that one, you can see there is also deleted, the model is also deleted. If I move that, if you don't know how to glide and control it, I already made the video. Please check out the previous videos of Lumion series. So here is the two methods I use for the Lumion SketchUp file to import Lumion. So comment me down below which method you like for the, comment me below which method you like and you want to use. And if you have the queries, just comment me down below. You can ask me on my Instagram handle, or you can ask, I will put my office number or other contact details in the, I put already put my details in the my about section. So please reach me out. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share more and more, share with your colleagues and let me know how I can make the software things easy for you. So if you want to specific video, just comment me below or contact me on the my social media or other handles. So if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe and share with your colleagues. So that's it. So that's it for today. Bye for now.